something always end up going absolutely left field when I start filming. Like, I guarantee y'all, if I hadn't have been trying to film this, it would have worked like ASAP. What's up, y'all? So absolutely no makeup, y'all. Girl, y'all finna get real today. This hairdo went completely left field, but it's okay because I always come through, and I served. Okay, let's don't act. Okay, this look real nice, real cute. It's not really what we wanted, but this is what we got. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. Okay, y'all, I know my head look a mess, but clearly I'm about to get it together. So because my hair is real short, I just molded it down with some Ampro Pro Style Gel, the black gel. For those of you who don't know, it looked like this. I have a little bit of Got To Be spray. I'm getting ready to put a little bit more around like the ear part. So I use this Diamond Bond Protective Shield. This do a real good job of keeping glue out of my head. I like to use the 30-second hair glue. I'm using Pump It Up Spritz today, the gold one, the OG. I have a little wax stick, which is something new to me that I've been seeing everybody use on their quick weaves and stuff to keep the flyaways down. I don't know if y'all noticed in the video where I had my black bob in, it was a lot of flyaways, so I'm hoping that that wax stick is gonna kind of help with that part. I also have some tape strips and some lace glue. Not sure how I'm gonna be using that today, but I like to normally put that to keep my edges from flying up or whatever. So I'm doing me a bob, but I'm gonna do this bob a little bit different. So this the hair that I'm using, and this is just how I bought it. It wasn't in the pack. It was $12.99. It's Model Bravo Brazilian Remy 100% Yaki hair. So I'm using this. And this one, I'm assuming it's the same hair. This one is probably a 10-inch. This might be a 12, no. This might be a 12-inch. And this is probably like a 14 or a 16. I'm thinking about doing the front part long and then it's gonna be stacked in the back. And to do that, I'm gonna use the Janet Collection. I wanna say this is 28-piece hair. It is. But I'm gonna use some of this hair in the bottom. So now that my hair is all molded down, I'm finna cut my cap and go ahead and put some lace tape. So I'm gonna leave them 2 pieces of tape right there for the duration until I get up to that part. I'm gonna start in the back with the Janet Collection. So they give you a little stocking cap. We'll put that up for another time. And I don't know what this is about. So I'm kind of a little stretchy, something there. Y'all, why they doing too much? I wonder, is this in case like you wanted to make this into a wig, like a quick weave wig? I'm interested with this. I'm gonna keep this. That's neat that they actually put that, or maybe it's just a little shower cap. I don't know, but I'm gonna move on with the regular scheduled program. So this how the hair look. This how it look on the other side. Okay, y'all, so next I'm gonna be just using the short hair and I'm gonna work my way up to the longest, evidently. I'm getting ready to do my part, and I'm using some High Beam Intense Black Spray. I'm gonna just hit that with a little bit of Got to Be spray. Okay, y'all, so the hair what I put in the bottom is an absolute no-go. It fell right off. So I'm gonna end up just putting some long black hair back there, and I'm probably not even gonna make this a bob. I might just leave it long and maybe do like a blunt cut. So this is most definitely not a fantastic cut, but I'm cutting my own hair, so I did the best that I could, and I think it looked pretty decent overall for the most part. So I'm just gonna take my razor comb. I like to use the Tinkle razors, and I'm just gonna kind of freehand this part. This cute, y'all. I like that. I really hope y'all enjoyed this this video. Y'all, I had such a hard time with this, but nevertheless, the outcome is nice. And like I said, I served. Y'all, I did that. Y'all can't tell me Nathan. But tell me what y'all, leave me some comments below. Tell me what you think about this color on me, about this style. Should I do looks like this more often, videos like this more often, or are y'all more interested in me just doing my makeup? Y'all let me know something. And I want to tell everybody that's newly subscribed that I appreciate you all for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by and watching my videos. Absolutely all my OGs that's been rocking with me from the beginning of time. I really appreciate y'all. Shout out to all of y'all. Shout out to all my cousins and them that be watching my videos. Shout out to everybody who be sharing my videos. If you share my videos to Facebook, drop a comment down below and let me know that. Now, be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around so you can see what I upload next, and put on that notification bell, girl, so you don't miss my uploads, okay? Please and thank you.